Hi, y'all. Other unboxing. Let me get my. Oh, what year is this? Charlie Manuel. Some more stickers. I gotta put these stickers all up all along in the attic. But wow. Let's see, got a bunch of cards. Topps, Pittsburgh Pirates, Pacers, Upper Day. Is that Reggie Miller? No. Gary Grant, Stacey King, Charlotte Hornets, Sonics, Bucks, Bruce Sutter. I think I have him as my reliever on the APBA. Cliff Livingston, Kurt Bailey, Reggie Williams, oh, but I gotta one of these days I got to show off my what I have in baseball cards. Well, I do. I have every top set from the year I was born, 1970 to 2012. My dad, we decided no longer buy him because just the money involved in. I mean, when we started, a wax box was $25. Now a wax box is $45, $50, $65. It's actually not cost effective anymore to collect, especially when you don't have. They're not worth the money after a couple weeks. And I bet this is up there barking. I think I'm going up in the attic today before the kids get home. I have 2.5 hours before the kids get home. So I think I'm going to go up in the attic and do some putzing around up there. I'll start rattling off all the books I got in a second. Okay, here's what I got. Batman 66 meets Wonder Woman 77, number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4, I had this issue, so this will end up being a double. Number 5. And number 6. Batman 66 meets Steed and Mrs. Peel. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. And number 6. I guess you threw in Guy Gardner number 10. Cool. Superboy and Knockout. This is Superboy number 23. Justice League number 4. Number 19. Outsiders number 31. Booster Gold number 41. Marvel Comics Presents 135. Any of the doubles I get, I just give Keegan anymore. So, Ghost Rider number 83. Yeah, my eyesight's going. Project Icarus number 1. Gin Hunter number 1. Wilder number 1. The New 52 Batman and Robin number 11. Flash Volume 2 number 84. Wonder Woman War of the Gods number 2 of 4. That's a thick book. Justice League number 35. Justice League Odyssey number 18. Then let's see, we got Titans number 20. Titans from the Rebirth got issue number 12. Then I got Titans 18, 14, Titans Rebirth line number 3. Daredevil Halloween comic book extravaganza number 1. Thor and Loki Double Trouble number 4. The free preview Heroes Reborn. Free Spotlight Marvels with Green Goblin on the cover. Onslaught Reborn number 1. Heroes Reborn, The Return, Part 2 of 4. And Part 4 of 4. Guardians of the Galaxy number 9. Then I got, okay. USA Avengers number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, I guess they're in good old Paris. Number 8, number 9, 10, and 11. And there you have everything I picked up in this lot. I have one more box coming. So that's it. And as always, thank you all for viewing and subscribing. King Joe out.